basil and coriander into this lovely green pot. So I have acquired this green pot and it's just too good to be empty. So yesterday we went food shopping and we managed to also grab two beautiful fresh herbs called basil and coriander. So coriander is this one here, and then of course we got the basil, which is perfect for your cooking vegetables to add into a little bit of flavor. So I'm going to repot these two babies into this lovely green pot. Now while I'm doing this, I'm also doing a Bananacue. Now the reason being I'm going to show you that because of the peel. Okay, here we are. I have just cut some of my Bananacue bananas, which I have also got yesterday from the market, and this is ladyfingers. And ladyfingers I'm going to Bananacue. I'm going to add some sugar and then cook it in a hot oil, which I've already prepared. And I am going to keep this beautiful yellow, perfectly healthy banana peel, and I'm going to add this into my soil for my coriander and basil plants. So let's begin. Let's just cut this up. One last banana. I'm just going to do 4, so 2 each for me and Michelle. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so while I'm doing that, I'm going to grab some soil and also cut this beautiful banana peel to add as fertilization for my beautiful basil and coriander. Okay guys, I just want to show you how I do my Bananacue. So what I do is I roll this banana, I cut it in half, and I'll just put this white sugar around it, coat it up, and pop it in the hot oil, which is right there, which you can see. Nice. Okay, so while that's cooking, let's grab some soil. Okay, here we go. I have 2 pots of pre-made soil that I had at the back, and this is made from perlite, garden bark, a little bit of that, premium potting mix, some old soil. So I'll put it together and let's pop it into this lovely pot. So I just popped some of the Alright guys, I am doing my repotting. I have just covered the lovely banana peel that's under here. As you can see from the previous videos that I had a banana peel randomly just placed in the bottom, in the top half, and then I'm just covering it with more soil to cover it. And as I water, I don't need to water now because the soil is actually quite moist, so I got it from the other planter. That banana peel will get rotten and go back into the soil, and my lovely basil, which is this one, and coriander will have this lovely food, which is the banana juice, the vitamins, the fertilizer, so that will be excellent for them. I'm just going to put a little bit more soil up here and then just push it a bit in because I don't think it was pushed in quite well before. So there's my beautiful plant. 1 pot a day for repotting this month. So I've done my 1 pot. I need to catch up because obviously the month is already, a few days in a month. So I'm going to do a few more, maybe tomorrow, to catch up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to challenge myself to repot 1 pot a day, because my plant's actually been a little bit neglected, so I need to actually take care of it and look after it better. So in the meantime, I will clean this little mess. Like, my hand is so messy with soil, but that's okay because I enjoy playing with my soil. Unfortunately, you do get messy, but you have fun doing it. So let's check out our Bananacue, because I'm actually making Bananacue at the same time. So hopefully it's almost ready. So guys, this is my first plant for this month of August. Now how is our Bananacue looking? Oh, that looks good. Let's have a look. I have actually turned it around. There we go. I think that should definitely be ready. You might want to put this one here so it cooks a little bit more. And take one out and replace it with the one on the side. So I think I can turn off the stove now and just let that one cook a little bit further. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my little video, and I will be doing some more of my repotting and doing other stuff. Alright, so see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye. Alright guys, let's do one last videoing. I'm just cleaning up my pot because I've made a mess with all the soil everywhere. As you can see, they're everywhere on my table. And I am going to place this lovely, beautiful planter at the back window so it gets a bit of sun, but without being out in the cold. But still in the kitchen, so it's easy reach for me to grab my little herbs and spices. Look at this beautiful, healthy, beautiful young baby coriander. So that will be going to be even more healthier and bigger, because I have just repotted it in this lovely, beautiful planter, as you can see. And I'm just cleaning it up so I can put it away. So let's go and pop it in a beautiful spot. Alright guys, here it is. It's placed in this beautiful spot near the window. It's not direct sun because it's only the back. And this will be growing just nicely for me. And of course, easy reach. But the pot is quite heavy. And it's near my lovely terrarium, as you can see. Look at my beautiful plants doing nicely. And this one is a jewel orchid. Bring it back. And then I also have my other terrarium. This is the variegated Hoya, and my other plants up there, which I should take it out so you can see the leaves. This is my lovely Picasso peace lily, as well as my pink princess philodendron. Should not have put the things. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. And then my other terrarium, which is doing absolutely fantastic, is my rainforest terrarium. I've put the cover so the moss become nicely established, as you can see. Beautifully done. And then I'm just leaving a little bit of air to come in for the other plants. So there you go guys, this is my little special spot. My favorite plants and my beautiful added addition to my collection is this lovely coriander and beautiful basil. Let's go and check out my Bananacue. Alright, here we go from these beautiful lush yellow banana fingers, lady fingers, and into this crunchy, delicious Bananacue, ready for my beautiful Michelle to eat. And we saved 3 for my other daughter to come, because I'm sure she would want one. So I better save some for her. So let's eat.